Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hadin bau lawan pai na gejala Karnataka bania kendu ya ki Khynnah kiba nagani gejala kiba don hapeneng gejing syutom u Commissioner and Secretary jong sarkar jela u ba Cyril V Dengdo ulaya tu bahadu menta Baroh arpu Ngut ki Khynnah kidang don hapo ka Mandia Institute of Medical Sciences kamen shwa ula ong bakidon laingut ha ICU hunrei menta la sa satang marway u badang don ha ICU kat baki weipat kila kamyo bor Ulaya tu bahalor ke jing yapat ke jing syutam jong ki Khynnah ki pulit jong ka Mandia district kila kem reungut ki breu bakan tup na do unong shen bat utrai jong ka restaurant ka bapen poi bam sya ka hostel basa ki Khynnah bat kumju ru ki nong penyat ya ka hostel be ain nang tau laya tu ba 4 la ban wan yalam no ya ki Khynnah sya ka jelala jong namar baki don ki bahap ban tho ya ka exam jong ki bat ka jing penbet karang ya chakmat Hadin bala pendep ya kijing don kam on wan yalam no ya ki sya ka jelala jong. Shushu ula ong baka sarkar kala hukum ya ki Deputy Commissioner bagian pelaj no ya ka pisa ka balai lak tingka ban ai sya ki bahayang hasem jong kitu ki Ngut ki Khynnah ki bala khlat no.
So I had gone to Karnataka, to Mandya, on the directions of Honorable Chief Minister and the government to go and inspect what is happening with regard to the children who suffered food poisoning, 22 children who are from the state of Meghalaya. So I had gone to the Mandya Institute of Medical Sciences, which is the hospital in which all these children have been kept for treatment. I was accompanied by the Deputy Commissioner of the Mandya district and the SP and other officers from the Social Welfare Department there, and of course the 2 officers from the Education Department who were deputed for this very purpose. And like I've already briefed the press then, and I think the report is already out, the children are doing well, they are improving their condition, all are stable. A few were in the ICU, 3 were in the ICU, I think now it's only 1. So the others are in the general ward. As of today, I am in touch with the Deputy Commissioner of Mandya district. The update is that the children are still in the hospital, they are being taken care of by the hospital authorities. And the Deputy Commissioner has also deputed officers from the Child Welfare Committee of the district of Mandya to regularly be in touch with the hospital authority so that anything that is required for the children is taken care of. And we have also written to the deputy commissioners here to release 3 lakh rupees as ex gratia as announced by the Honorable Chief Minister for the 2 boys who have unfortunately died. The families will get the 3 lakhs immediately. The deputy commissioners have been instructed today to release this amount. So the update is that the district administration and the police have already lodged an FIR. Certain number of persons who have been running the school and the hostel have been arrested, and therefore the inquiry will follow as per the procedure of law. The FIR is already registered. The law will take its own course. So the issue is that these boys were staying in the hostel in the school. The hostel itself was illegal as per the initial reports, which is under inquiry now. And they were given food, the dinner on the Friday, which was the day Holi was being celebrated, from a restaurant that was taken from that particular restaurant on that day. And those who consumed food from that restaurant also fell ill, including the students of that hostel, including the students from the state of Meghalaya who consumed that food. That is the history. In fact, the cook and the hotel owner also of that restaurant were arrested, and as per the information given by the DC in that meeting, those food samples also were sent for forensics and for the food safety aspect to be checked. So the students are under the care of the hospital as of now, and the DC is taking care of the entire situation. I had a word with him today itself. Now these students are all in different classes. Some are in class 5, some are in class 8, etc. So they are at a crucial juncture where they have to take certain exams, otherwise they will lose that particular year. So the DC is trying to arrange how these students can take their annual exams. I think that's what they have expressed also. And definitely, the district administration, etc., has reached out to the parents of this And after all the legal procedures are followed by the district administration through the process of law, where the Child Welfare Committee of that district will be involved, the plan is to bring them back to the state of Meghalaya. So 6 persons have been arrested. This is under section 286 and 106 of the Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita at Malavali Rural Police Station in Mandya district. The person who had run the hotel, including the person who was responsible for the cooking of the food items, because that food poisoning originated from there, including the school staff who were running that hostel illegally. Yeah.